In the classic Outlook 365, you can set a delay to sending messages that can apply to all of your messages. Messages then sit in the outbox, enabling you to go back in to make changes or to add additional attachments, etc. In the new Outlook 365, that capability doesn't exist. You can only delay the sending of messages individually. So let's have a look at how this works. First of all, on the screen here, when I'm recording this, you'll notice that it has an option to send this message during most recipients' working hours. Now, there are a couple of options. You can click Schedule, Send, or Dismiss from here if you're referring to this piece. This won't appear if you're sending or preparing an email inside traditional office hours. So let's have a look at things from here. If I click the drop arrow, you've got an option to send or schedule send or start a mail merge. We're going to choose schedule send. So you can choose one of these options, or you can click custom time, and this will allow you to choose a particular date and time from the drop down list and click send. The item will then remain in your drafts folder until it goes out on that particular day and time. Let's see what happens if I choose these options here. Schedule Send sets up a side panel enabling you to activate particular times. This is because I'm working with business, Microsoft 365 business. You can also set up some quiet time here. I'm going to close that down. If I choose Dismiss, it removes that and I can go from there, and I could just save it as a draft and come back later on and actually send it. So if I click Send, Schedule Send, and I'll leave it to tomorrow morning and click Send, and the item remains here in my drafts, and you'll see here it's scheduled for a particular time, so I can come back and edit it at any time I like.